What's really happening is that there's been a shift from accountants doing very sort of routine tasks to really much more focus on collaboration and communication with their clients. Because there's been this, shift from sort of a math and analytical approach, because that's all been automated with software like Twinfield, it's really now about communication and collaboration. So if you go back and we asked accountants, 10 years ago, what was the most important skill, and they said math. And now you ask them that exact same question and they will say communication and collaboration. And it's because the clients of our accounting customers, they want more value-added services. And that's what they really want the accountant to focus on. And that's been a fundamental shift in the profession.
How do Twinfield and Wolters Kluwer help accountants innovate in their new role?
Well, Twinfield is an innovative SaaS-based software tool, and it helps the accountant automate a lot of the routine functions that they traditionally performed. And so as a result, it frees up the accountant to really focus on working with the client and collaborating with them and helping the client drive better business performance. And so at the end of the day, the client is more satisfied and the accountant is more satisfied as well.
In a world of web-based software and all online business, event like today is all about meeting people in real life. Do you think that is still very important to do?
Yes, certainly relationship building is absolutely critical in the accounting profession, but the way those relationships are formed has really changed. And so social media is much more important than it was historically, and I think that this notion of creating an ecosystem where, Twinfield as the software platform sits in the center of that ecosystem, but then the accountant is really bringing together lots of other things like social media to create a community around their customer. So it's really that the world has shifted to creating these communities because the technology is allowing them to do that.
And in that perspective, what is the importance of an event where people meet in real life?
Well, the importance of an event like this is that they get to meet colleagues from around the country and from other parts of the world, and to talk about the profession and to share, what are their common challenges, how do they address them, share best practices. So there's nothing that can really substitute for that face-to-face interaction.